All right, guys, we got the brand new Gen 3 M12 fuel impact driver kit. Killer deal. Big shout out to John at the Daily Dose of Tools Facebook group for posting this. Big shout out to you for posting all those deals. Guys, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Yes, guys, if you guys do see the design, this is the new design, the new square design. We got this is the M12 fuel 12 volt lithium ion brushless cordless core-wrench hex impact driver with compact impact driver compact kit with 2 battery and a bag, with a 2 amp hour battery and a bag. So we got a charger, a bag, the tool. And yes, guys, this is the brand new. It's down to $99 for the kit. This is an awesome deal. There is currently 642 available. So go get them, guys, if you guys want the latest and greatest from Milwaukee. This thing just barely came out a few months back, maybe about a month and a half ago. Go get them, guys. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. And also, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. See you guys on the next one.